Hello, dear learners. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. During the pandemic period, we are very busy at our online class. It is our almost duty because due to COVID-19, we are very just like unhealthy or helpless to be in our mentally. So during the period, we want to be healthy and heartily. So I always pray all of you to be fit for your health and to attend your study. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Who is the sonnet writer out of them? Dear learners, in the above picture, who is the main sonnet writers? First one is Michael Madhusudhan Datta. Yeah, he is the first and foremost sonnet writers in our country, and he is the first time in Bengali literature wrote a famous sonnet. Okay, dear learners. Yeah, today our topic is the return of the native. Our topic is return of the native. Okay, dear learners. Some information about Michael Madhusudhan Datta. Took education from Europe. Wanted to be like an Englishman. Wrote many English poems and dramas. Not appreciated for his quality. Field of his motherland and returned home. Okay. At first, he has a very attraction, a deep respect for the other language like English language, and he tried to cope up or try to compose some important articles for this type of this way. Okay, learning outcomes of the lesson. After this lesson, the students will be able to talk about the pictures, listen for specific information, read a text and find out in information, make WS question, infer the word meaning from the text. By learning the text, you will be able to learn in those types of things. Listen to the audio and about Michael Madhusudhan Datta and choose the best answer. Michael Madhusudhan Datta's father was a lawyer. He was a pioneer of Bengali drama. His famous work, Meghnad Badh, is a tragic epic. He also wrote poems about the sorrows and the affliction of love. Okay, some new word for you. I also give you some information about the new word. I try to provide you a closest meaning of the word. Aspire, hope for, dream of, long for, wish for, desire for, want. She has to be a great artist in future. It is his aspiration. Eerie. It means anger. The lion was showing his eerie was the mouse woke up him. Imitate. The action of using someone or something as a model. The boy is imitating his father. Compose. Compose means write or create a work of art, especially music or poetry. The poet Shamsur Rahman is composing poems. Adolescence means teenage years. From his adolescence, Sachin Tendulkar was a very good player. What do you see in the picture? Michael Bhushan Datta's residence, Kapotashko River, his statue. In those pictures, you find some main criteria, main vital point about the poets. Because here is I also shows for you Michael Bhushan Datta's residence, and second one Kapotashko River. It's a very famous river. By flowing the things, he also writes some epic poet from the river. Here also third one is also be his statue. At last, at the end of his lifestyle, when he was graveyard here, and this also here is made as some statue. It's a just slide back epidemic way. That's for all of you. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Read the text in the book and write the answer of the following question. At first, I have to provide you that you have to read the text very carefully. Then you have cope up some information from the text. Then try to write about the things about the way. What is the name of his Bengali sonnet? What was his attitude to his root, his adolescence? Why did he compose Kapotashko Nod? Where was Madhusudhan Datta born? What could her realize gradually? At first, you have to cope out the matter that if you read the text very carefully, you will find all of the information that I provide you about the question. You will find all question answers from the text. So read the text carefully, then try to answer the question. Then it will be very better for you to stimulate or to compose or to cope up the text. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Michael Madhusudhan Datta composed a sonnet in Bangla named Kapotashko River. You know, I think all of you have heard, all of you had read the text about the Kapotashko River. It's a very famous river in your rights, and this famous epic poet made the person as a great, because Kapotashko River, not river, just like an epic poet or sonnet, which make him a very great poet or great writer. So I think all of you have heard the things about the matter. In this poem makes him a very great. Okay, dear learners, read some information about make question for the statements. Read some information on Michael and make question for the statement. His famous satiric drama is Buro Shalikher Ghare Ro. You have to make the question. It's a very alternative, because we are habited to answer to the question. But I also give you a statement. Then you have to make a question from the statement, or from the utterance, or from the sentences. Or dear learners, he lived at 12 Rue thus Santiers 18, Versailles, France. So you have to write the question just like the before statement. His days in Europe were not good. You have to make a question from the statement. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Yeah, I also give you some pair work from the text. Make question from the statement, give there. Okay, dear learners, I think all of you have understand, all of you have realized the matter which I have discussed in the online class. Today I will provide you a homework. How the story of the Michael Madhusudhan related to the unit theme roots. You have to make a short summary or short composer or short writings or short article or just like a paragraph about the roots of Michael Madhusudan Datta. Thanks to all. Thanks to dear learners. Stay at home. Stay safe. Okay, dear. Thank you, everybody.